Have an annoying clicking sound coming from inside the dash? The clicking happens when adjusting the passenger temp control. This actuator is located behind the glove box. Start by removing the 3 retainers holding the lower cover on under the glove box. Pull the 3 hinge pins that the glove box lid pivots on. Press the back of the glove box down to clear the 2 retaining tabs. The passenger temperature actuator is located on the left side. Unplug the connector. Remove the 2 retaining bolts. Notice the alignment of the faulty actuator on the left and the new actuator on the right. The new actuator will need to be aligned exactly like the old one before installation. To do this, we plug in the new actuator and adjust the passenger temperature control to rotate the motor to match the old one. Be patient. It may take a few tries to match it exactly. Once aligned properly, the new actuator will slide onto the shaft and bolt back to the case. Test the newly installed actuator for correct operation and noise.